Hi, Jordan Hanna here with MarineMax Palm Beach, and check out this beauty we've got in the water. It's a brand new Scout 355 LXF equipped with SeaKeeper and just about every other option you can get. And that's beautiful. Check out how the T-top is integrated into the console there. Real slick look. It's got custom painted triple engine, 350 Verados with joystick. Notice how the motors match the hull sides there. Alright, as we climb aboard, you notice, first thing you'll notice, you got the rear facing bench seat, opposing transom flip down bench seat, real nice open cockpit for fishing, in-floor fish boxes, huge live well. Got a dive door that'll open up there, pull in the monster fish, or if you're out hanging out at the sandbar. Alright, up at the helm you got triple flush mounted Garmin touchscreen units. There's your Mercury joystick. So this boat is built for versatility. You got nice wraparound seats up here in the bow. You got an electric table. Right now it's in the middle position, and there's a snap-on cushion that fits there. Makes a great spot for laying out. And then you got a nice forward-facing double lounger. Flip-down armrests. This boat's great for fishing, cruising, and even overnighting with the nice cabin in here. Look how rich those cushions are. It's got air conditioning. Ready for the weekend. This is definitely a boat you got to see in person, so whenever you get a chance, give me a call on my cell, 561-427-9217. I'd be happy to set up an appointment to see the boat. Thanks, and look forward to seeing you.